जाफर हुसैन साहब।
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने मुझे जो बिल पे बात करने का मौका दिया है। द यंग इंडिया स्किल यूनिवर्सिटी बिल, डिप्टी सीएम जनाब भट्टी विक्रमा साहब refer to this proposal. University on this budget speech had announced that the government of Telangana decided to establish and run Telangana Skill University in Hyderabad during this financial year in a PPP mode. According to his statement, the objective of this university is to develop world-class skills in our youth to make them job competitive, loyal and globally. Giving more detail of the proposal university, the Telangana Socio-Economic Outlook 2024 said that this university will be located in the Engineering Staff College of India campus at Gachibowli in is close proximity to IT companies and other industries. The initiative to establish this university is need of the hour, no doubt, but the bill seeks to name of the university as Young India Skill University. I would request that the university be named as Telangana Skill University. I will request the government the name as Telangana Skill University as an official amendment shall be moved in this regard. The financial memorandum established the total requirement of funds for the proposal university to be rupees 389 crores, including capital expenditure of rupees 50 crores over the 3 years period for operating expenditure of 339 crore per annum. The cost per student will work out rupees 1.25 lakh and the fee received will be approximately rupees 170 crores. At the average course fees rupees 50,000 per student. The remaining rupees 169 crore funds are to be raised from private and state funding in the 50-50 ratio. I would suggest that the private contribution can be raised to 100% of the requirement and the raised through corporate social responsibility funds of the private company. It is also necessary to assure that the fees structure does not become a burden of the students from the weaker section. I may recall that 10 Telugu government in United AP under Chandrababu Naidu Sahab had established the Indian School of Business and Hyderabad under the PPP mode, but soon this institution became an allied business school in the country with probably high fee much beyond the capacity of the student from the poor section of effort. The skill university cannot be allowed to turn into another ISB in the PPP mode. Already skill development available in state. Department of College Education, Telangana Skills and Knowledge Center in present time, Jawaharlal Nehru Technology Knowledge Center. Department of Youth Service, SEDWIN and other ITI Tata. Labor and Employment Advanced Technology Center open to technology education and skill development. Technical Education Department skill development course running ITI also at Basra and Hyderabad. Under task also 780 colleges also introducing skill education. I would like the government to refer this bill to the select committee. मैं स्पीकर साहब आपके जरिए से गवर्नमेंट को ये कहना चाहता हूं, ये जो बिल है सर इसको इस सेलेक्ट कमेटी को भेजना चाहिए, so that there can be wider deliberation and comprehensive bill in the redrafting to serve the interest of the state and the students. मुझे ये बिल पे जो बात करने का आपने मौका दिया, मैं हुकूमत का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं, आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं, मगर ये कहना चाहता हूं ये बिल सेलेक्ट कमेटी को भेजना बेइंतहा जरूरी है साहब। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।